So I finished taking off the or taking them out of the packages, and I organized them by color, which I'm pretty sure does not have anything to do with the contents, but so yeah, here they are, 18. So I'm gonna start opening them. This is gonna be kind of awkward opening them up because like I said, I'm using my phone, but maybe in the future, depending on how this goes, I'll get an actual camera. So let's start. Just gonna have that there. Okay. Alright. Frost Links. Hammer Hand. I never saw that card before. Oppressive Rays. As you can see, I already do have some Magic 2015 stuff. Black Hat. I'm going to be organizing these by color. Hunt the Weak. Mind Sculpt. Blast Fire Bolt. Oops. Sorry, that was amateur. Okay, Marked by Honor. It's an aura, +2/+2. Invisibility. Borderland Marauder. Okay. Alright. Ooh. Artifact, indestructible artifact land, tap, and you get one colorless mana. I'll attack Bloodseeker. Okay. Congregate. Now this is the rare one, Chord of Calling. Search your library for a creature card with converted mana cost, X or less, and put it onto the battlefield, then shuffle your library. I see. I like that card. So there's that. Mountain and a soldier token. Okay. So I'm just gonna move these. I'm most likely going to be uploading this in different parts because there are a lot here. So if you guys like this, then you can go watch the others. And so that one was purple. I'll do this one for last because that's the one that I have the least of. So I'm gonna do the one with Jace on it. Keep in mind I'm doing this with one hand. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna like put the phone down for like a second. I'm sorry, that was more than a second. My bad. Okay. 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 So, let's start. Thundering Giant. Just 4/3 for 5 with haste. Coral Barrier. Miner's Bane. Hunt the Weak. Okay. Which is familiar. Ooh. Now this is cool. You guys see it? Okay. Ooh. Ajani's Pridemate. I actually like this card because I've had experience using this card and it's always helped me. Because I use a white deck and I gain life a lot, so I like that card. Paragon of Gathering Mists. Okay, Sacred Armory. Phyto Titan. I like this card. Whenever Phyto Titan dies, return it to the battlefield tapped under its owner's control at the beginning of his or her next upkeep. So it's like, it never dies. Forest. And Dragon Token. Okay. Alright. Sorry, guys. Okay. Next, we have... I'll do the one with Nisa on it.